wouldn't export. Wasted 6 hours on that. So fun, love that for me. And all the subtitles for Iris were jokes. She didn't say all this stuff. It was just a guessing game on what she said because she was inaudible. So just thought you'd know that Iris is not weird like that. Yeah, she's just a little Russian girl. No harm.
I'm spooky.
Okay, so listen to me, Iris. I have wanted to sit on my fridge for so long.
I can't sit on mine. Because that was on my, I don't know.
Okay, let's go.
You did it! You fucking did it!
Guess what? Ho daddies! It's Sammy on a fridge. Yeah, it's not Elf on a Shelf, so you were wrong there. Don't assume.
Are you okay? Do you need help?
I'm very okay. I'm very happy.
Yeah! The step for all mankind of refrigerator
Yes.
salesman.
I can adjust my water temperature from here.
How are you gonna get down there?
Look, I can sit this way.
Ooh, hang on, I'll turn on my blender. You hear frozen mango.
Iris, take a
Hey.
picture. Take a picture, Iris.
Take a picture?
Yeah.
I'm on my phone on Skype.
Oh, poopy.
Wait a secundo, wait. I'll take a screenshot, so move. Sorry. Okay, I got, how do I say this? I got it, but I didn't get a beautiful mayonnaise.
Iris, make sure they can see me opening my fridge.
What? Oh my gosh, that was loud. Okay, wait.
Iris, I'm so happy.
Sam, how are you gonna get one?
Like this. That's all. Oh, I kicked some of the paper that was on the counter.
I need some hot water.
I chime in with the haven't you people ever heard of closing a
Body surfed my fridge. We're surfing. Ho, daddy, ho, daddy, ho, daddy. Hop on your surfboard, flop on your belly. Ho, daddy, ho, daddy, ho, daddy. Backyard kids. Surfs up, ho, daddy. Body surfing my fridge. Oh, body surfing my fridge. Ho, daddy, ho, daddy, ho, daddy.
Everybody shout ho, daddy, ho, daddy, ho, daddy. Surfs up, ho, daddy. You get your board in the water and flop.
My God, I'm so swag. Ooh. Why is there so much peanut butter up here? This is like, I never have seen this high up, I guess. No, that's not true. I've been on a roller coaster.
You just got pranked by Sammy. Ha 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 ha.
Maybe next I should climb my chimney. Comment down below if you think next I should climb my chimney. Iris, should I climb my chimney next?
Flip a coin. Fate always knows best.
No, I want to climb my chimney.
Oh no, I hear Sammy coming in my chimney. Guys, please help. I don't want her in my chimney. She's gonna go take all my food.
Ooga booga 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 booga.
Truly, Iris, that was indeed a good sentence.
I agree with that statement.
I think I'm gonna hang up here for now. Iris,
Yeah?
this is my new hangout spot.
You can just grab a snack. If I get up on the refrigerator, my mother will pull me down and you know why I was stuck it on the refrigerator. See up there.
No, Iris, get off the refrigerator. But I can just grab some of whatever is in here.
Is there?
Let's see. What is that item? Oh, yes, it's rice. Great for fridge snacking.
Fresh, fresh, fresh. It's a fresh snack.
Truly. But how would I cook it from the fridge?
What?
How would I cook the rice if I'm on top of the fridge?
Okay, okay. You tie a bunch of chopsticks together, make a very long stick, put the rice on the burner, sit on the refrigerator, and when it is done, you click the little knob with your long stick. Do you know what I said? I didn't say. You know what I was thinking today? In class after we played volleyball, I didn't wash my hands after playing with all these balls.
That's nice.
Yes, it is. I'm sorry. Okay, don't be alarmed. Oh no.
Iris! Iris! Are you okay? Is your house on fire?
No, I was blending my mango.
Well, I need to show you something.
You need to show me something. What are you going to shove? A nice cucumber into a pothole?
Look.
An apple! You're giving me anxiety.
I chime in with a haven't you people ever heard of closing a damn.
Well, now you have all smushed up apple all over your refrigerator top.
No, I don't. It was already rotten on one side and it did nothing to it. It's just still squishy here.
I chime in with a haven't you people ever heard of closing a damn door. No, it's much better to face these kinds of things with a sense of poison rationality. I chime in, haven't you?
Yes you can, but you need to try. You need to try.
Refrigerator! Refrigerator! Do you have souses? Didn't answer.
Well, I watched Oh my God on that. Now that I think about
That was a nice sound. I can't tell whose connection is bad anymore.
I believe it is Iris's connection because every time I Skype her, there's always an issue with the call.
Nice. Yes, Iris, those are words. Cool. I totally understand. Oh, daddy, oh, daddy, oh, daddy. Surf's up, surf's up. Iris, I have one more thing to do for this YouTube video. Iris! I cannot understand you! That's not English! I'm gonna throw up. Why was I sent to school today? Gotta call the Xfinity truck. Oh, I have an idea. Comment down below what I should snack on while I'm sitting on top of my fridge. Thank you. I'm just gonna leave my bra up there.
To all of my friends watching this, please send me videos of you doing silly stuff so I can edit them, because I'm an amazing person and I should get paid to do this, but I don't. But yay, the video's over, so eat your green beans. Don't annoy a microphone.